Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash app not working. If the DoorDash app is not working, keeps crashing, won't let you sign in, is not loading properly, in most cases the issue is caused by the poor internet connection, an outdated app or a temporary server problem. So first thing you should do is check your internet connection. In the top right corner, simply swipe down and check for your internet connection, turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi, or you can switch between your cellular data as well, and try opening another app or website to make sure your internet is working. And next, once you open your DoorDash, and completely remove it from your home and open it again and see if the problem has been resolved. And if the issue still continue, you need to restart your device. Simply turn on your side buttons and you need to select restart. Or you can also go to your app store and here select the DoorDash food delivery app and find any update icon available. If you find any update icon there, you need to select update in order to resolve the issue. And that is it. Those are the most effective ways to fix the DoorDash app if it's not opening, crashing, or not working properly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.